Boom! What's going on, Investomaniacs? Your boy, a Knight Rider here, and today we're going to be talking about PayPal and Workday. Up first, we've got PayPal. Now, generally speaking, growth stocks, when done correctly, are some of the most efficient ways to reap high returns for your investments, whether that be the stock market or anywhere else. It's hard to beat some high quality, high growth stocks, and PayPal has been a loved growth stock ever since it was spun off of eBay in 2015. eBay. Remember that? Investors, including myself, were so happy when we could finally invest in PayPal without having to invest in that old e-commerce dinosaur eBay, which has about as much growth as Blockbuster did in 2008. If you know what I'm saying. 90% of PayPal's revenue comes from the company's financial transactions. That's good news, as the number of PayPal transactions has steadily grown over time and is expected to continue for the foreseeable future. PayPal also owns Venmo, which many people believe will be PayPal 2.0. Think of Venmo to PayPal as Instagram is to Facebook. PayPal makes all the money, but Venmo attracts all those young, hip, next generation kids and gets the investors all excited with some big growth numbers. Plus, Venmo is looking strong with some new monetization instruments recently added. PayPal recently created a fresh partnership with Monese, a British company that offers its customers money transfer services and money storing capabilities. Monese's aim is to replace traditional banks in the United Kingdom. That's a pretty big aim there, huh? Thanks to the joint venture, Monese customers will be allowed to link PayPal and Monese accounts. An additional convenience for clients includes being able to manage PayPal transactions and balances using the Monese app. They will also be able to easily add a Monese card to their PayPal digital wallet for purchasing items online. PayPal has 277 million merchants and customers around the world, making this deal attractive to both customers and investors. To quote Monese CEO and founder Norris Koppel, "We are delighted to make it easier for our customers connect to PayPal wherever they may be in the world. Through our partnership with PayPal, our customers will have greater choice and more access to doing business around the world." PayPal's business is very strong, but the stock price might even be a little bit stronger in a bad way. The stock has grown a staggering 38% year to date, despite revenues only having grown about 12% over that same period of time. With a 3-year top-line annual growth rate of under 19% and a 3-year earnings per share annual growth rate of under 20%, which is good, but the stock is trading at 64 times earnings, and I say that's too expensive right now. I'd like to see a pullback or at least some time for the fundamentals to catch up with where the stock price is before I personally would recommend getting into it. Up next, we've got Workday. Workday is an enterprise cloud applications provider, and today we'll be discussing the details of their newest major customer. Workday Human Capital Management recently partnered with AirAsia, the largest budget airliner in Asia, to help AirAsia manage its data better. Workday will be managing AirAsia's employee data, among other data. AirAsia Chief of People and Culture Officer. Wow, they really have different names for like company executives over in Asia. We've got like chief executive, chief financial. They're like chief of people and culture. Okay. Anyway, Varan Bhatia stated, quote, "We are now more than just an airline. We are leveraging the power of our data, our flight network, and our people." Which sounds like something the chief of people would say. Yeah, we're about people, man. We're not an airline. We're an airline that's really masquerading because we're people. Mr. Bhatia also stated that Workday was able to meet the airline's requirements for an enterprise level cloud-based mobile platform that they were looking for. AirAsia was impressed with Workday's solid reporting and analytics capabilities. AirAsia managers will be able to tap into Workday's system to help them perform convenient appraisal, evaluation, and salary planning of their airline's employees. The collaboration will furthermore make it easier for AirAsia to post its recruitment needs. Now, the benefits won't just help the top of the food chain and the managers. Employees of the budget carrier will also be able to easily file requests for time off, as well as find training opportunities and promotions while using Workday's app. Workday President Rob Wells claimed, quote, "We are proud to be a partner of AirAsia, one of the most people-centric airlines in the world, and a company that shares our vision of a digital innovation and empowering people." Remember, because they have like the chief officer of people. So you got to empower people, right? When asked about security and the Workday platform, Mr. Wells emphasized how the system has tight security while adhering to data privacy rules. FYI, here is my portfolio for full disclosure. Workday, like PayPal and many other high-growth software as a service type companies, have seen significant share appreciation recently. I do not think Workday is as overvalued as PayPal, but the valuation is getting up there. This is a riskier time to be invested in these types of fast-growing companies. You may want to put your money into something with a little less growth, but a lot cheaper value, something like a Facebook or a Microsoft, and then switch into the higher growth stocks, hopefully when we get a pullback, and then I would recommend Workday. Hope you guys have a good one. I appreciate the likes, comments, and subscribes. Thanks. May the market be with you.